after I finished the driver's side, today I'm working on the passenger side. Now there's some stuff that I didn't know how to do, so I had to do some research and I had to do some stuff before, you know, like completing the whole mount. So one of the things that took me time, oh shit. So one of the things that took me a lot of time was to figure out how much I need to cut in here. I think this is enough. I see a lot of people that only do like a hole. You should do enough space to where you can rotate the whole suspension. Now I think this is a little bit extra, and on this side it's kind of like the same, maybe a little bit closer. But this is a good cut. I've seen a lot of shitty cuts, so I think this is good because it gives you what you need to rotate that suspension. Now my tires are pretty good, but they are huge, so the car won't turn this way without hitting the bumper, so I need to fix that. Overall, everything is here. It took me a little bit because it was hard to get this part in here and I had to hammer it down and whatnot, but everything is good. So far it's on place and where it needs to be. I used a little boot from the OEM inner rod, and yeah, I think that's it. I'm probably cutting this because I think it's gonna wrap in there. I don't know. These wheels are not the one that I'm gonna use. Well, the wheels I'm probably gonna use it, but not this high. I need lower tires. And then one thing that I noticed is that this kit pushes the tire to the front. So now I don't know. I think I put it right. This angle right here, like that, it's kind of like not straight. But I think this is how it goes. I never put this before, so. But yeah, nah, it's pretty good. It rotates. That's locked right there. But then when I go to the other side, the bumper gets on the way. That's the bumper. So I need to trim that, but if you push the bumper out a little bit and I push out of the way, that's how much trouble I'm getting on that side. Now the car is not on the floor, so I don't know if it's gonna rub or not. As of right now, I think it's rubbing. It's rubbing, Pancho? Yeah, see that? No, I'm not running the tires that I need, so my tire's gonna be lower profile, but I am cutting that part in here because it doesn't matter how you run this, the suspension has trouble, and that, you know, it's not good because it's gonna rub on that part. So I'm cutting that and putting something else. But so far on the back part, it's not having contact with the car. So like in here, we got plenty of room. Now I gotta be careful with these, and the cables, but everything is good. So anyways, I'm probably cutting that and doing the other side. This out because I need to use the boot. There's a boot that they sell that it will go with that adapter that you need to use in this kit on the rack and pinion. I didn't have the boot, so I'm making this one. So the goal is to fit this in here. Keep in mind this is like rubber, so I will adjust the size. So right in there, it's probably coming out on full lock, but it's gonna go back in. So it's better to have these than not have anything. If you can, just buy the one that is for the kit.
Bueno, tío.
FDF, man, what the fuck? I hammered this one in there, like you can tell. Now that probably caused some damage to my joint. And now that I'm installing the other side, I see this one that it goes like butter. Now I figure that you guys send this by mistake. This one it's by mistake. It should be a small one on one side, and then the big one is for this side right here. Now I try everything, and I even tried these ones. I thought it was gonna work with this, and it did. But then I figured that this part should go here. So, man, you guys need to watch that, cause like me, I don't know about these. Like I'm just trying to do my stuff, you know. And I already caused some damage in here because of that. Now I don't know how my alignment is gonna be. I thought both will be like that, but now that I'm measuring this one is different. It's not a lot. It's probably like a quarter of an inch or maybe less than that. But you know, I had to modify my front frame on this car, and now there's no, you know, there's no way back. It's just like that. Now the kit is good and everything, you know, but that part right there, man, you guys need to watch that out, because this it's not good. You know, I paid a good amount of money because it's the best product. So check your shipment, guys, and make sure you guys see what you guys send. This ain't right.